future of Gen Z is here. ASUS Vivobook series chose to work in partnership with Don't Blame the Kids Apparel Corporation with one main goal, to resonate the parallel message of empowering the future of today's youth to #WowTheWorld. As the official tagline of the ASUS Vivobook series is a challenge for the youth today to freely express themselves and push their limits in pursuing their passion while discovering their self along the journey, ASUS Vivobook will also be collaborating with Riva Queenery as the official Vivobook ambassadors to help spread the message to the youth. Drawing inspiration from themes that reflect the ideas and attitudes of today's youth, aka the Gen Z, energetic, vivid, creative, true to be themselves and thinks out of the box. These are some of the personalities that perfectly vibes with the ASUS Vivobook series. It is created to express yourself and dare to be different, free yourself and break the mold and finally discover yourself and find the best in you.